Good evening to everybody. Dear and respected Mr. Sanjay Dhanani, the Honorable Collector of Porbandar District, dear Reverend Sister Selin, the Regional Superior of CMC Congregation, dear Ms. Chadana Ben, the President of Porbandar BJP District, dear Reverend Father Joby, the President of All India Association of Catholic Schools Rajkot Unit, dear Reverend Fathers, Sisters, invited dignitaries, dear Reverend Sister Sibi, the Director of the school, Reverend Sister Joyce, the Principal, the members of the staff, dear parents and my dear children. Today I feel immensely happy to participate in the Ruby Jubilee celebration of St. Mary's School, Porbandar, along with the annual day celebration. First of all, let me extend to the management, the principal, the members of the staff and the students, the greetings and felicitations of the Ruby Jubilee. We are living in a world where knowledge is considered as power. Due to the fast development of science and technology, the development in communication media and transportation, and the recent developments in digital technology and artificial intelligence, the whole world has become like a village, a global village. And in order to be successful, today the children has to compete. Today's rule is either excel or exit, either perform or perish. That is the rule of the day. So we have to equip our children with giving quality education so that they will be able to compete with anybody in the world and become successful. So quality education is the first and foremost aim of running this school. We equip our children so that they will be able to compete with anybody and come out successful. But academic excellence alone is not what we aim for. Along with academic excellence, our missionary schools give a lot of importance for character formation and discipline. Sometimes children can be successful in exams, but at the same time they can be a failure in their life. So we see that the children go out of our school, they succeed not only in their exams, but also in their life. So we impart values to them and try level best for character formation along with the good discipline. The human values, the spiritual values, the moral values, the ethical values, the social values, and even the values of our constitution or political values. All these values are imparted to them during the course of their study and equip them so that they will be successful in their life. Their character is formed. So value-based quality education is given. But again, we give importance for the holistic development of the students. not only the intellectual caliber, but along with we take care of the body, the mind, and the soul. So we give a lot of importance for sports and games, yoga, and like activities so that they will be healthy. A healthy mind lies in a healthy body. So our children should be healthy. And not only we give importance to the body, but the mind through our cultural programs, the cultural values are added to that, and also the spiritual values through the other prayer and other activities which is carried out. So all aspects of a human person is taken into care. So we give holistic education. Sometimes you may wonder why we are running these schools or educational institutions. The missionaries, we have 79 schools, 5 colleges in Saurashtra and Kutch, of which St. Mary's Porbandar is one among them. Altogether, we are running more than 100 educational institutions. The reason is social transformation. We have to change the society. Education is the best means for social transformation. Through our formation, we transform the children, and the children in turn transform the society. So a transformative education, that is what we are aiming. So altogether, our education through which we are aiming a transformative, holistic, value-based quality education. When a child goes out of our school, that child should be intellectually equipped or competent, spiritually awakened, physically healthy, morally upright, socially committed, culturally rooted. So we take care of all the aspects and give that kind of an education in our school. That may be the reason the parents are eager to send their children to our schools. So today, I congratulate the school authorities, the management, the principal and the staff for giving such a good quality education here to our children, so that they may become the excellent citizens of our motherland. Along with congratulating them also, I congratulate the children who participated and going to participate in today's program. They have given showcase very good, excellent programs for us. So when we celebrate this day, the annual day, along with the Jubilee celebration, I invoke God's abundant and choicest blessings on the school, on the management, the staff and students. Dear parents, you are privileged to have your children in the school. It is because of your cooperation and support the school is functioning well. I understand that you are giving good cooperation to the school. I request you to continue wholehearted cooperation so that together, the parents and the staff together will transform the children for better. May God bless all of us. With these words, before I conclude, I wish to all of you a Merry Christmas, which is fast approaching, when we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, our Savior. So, I make use of this opportunity to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and the coming new year 2026. May God bless each and every one of us. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I request Your Excellency to stay back there. Regret for your inconvenience. Seed of St. Mary's School was sown by Reverend Sister Vinita in the year 1985. It became seedling under the principalship of Reverend Sister Pushpalada. It became a sibling during the tenure of Reverend Sister Sibi. It became a sapling during the tenure of Reverend Sister Celine. And it has become a plant during the tenure of Reverend Sister Gis Maria. And it has become a tree in blooms during the tenure of Reverend Sister Josme. And now the school is a tree in full of blossoms. Credit goes to the present principal. Today, what the school is, it is because of the tremendous, tireless contribution made by former principals. Luckily, we have got right now over here 3 principals: Reverend Sister Sibi, Reverend Sister Celine, and Reverend Sister Gis. I request all of you to come over here. It is our right and might to honor you through our beloved bishop. They are going to be escorted by none other than our principal. Let me request His Excellency first to honor and felicitate Reverend Sister Sibi, former principal, present directors of the school. Again honored with a memento. Next, I request His Excellency to honor Reverend Sister Celine, former principal, present managers, and regional superior CMC in the Gujarat region. Now the towering former principal, Reverend Sister Gis, I request His Excellency to honor her. Now it is my highest degree of honor requesting the principals of St. Mary's School, Reverend Sister Joyce, to honor our beloved His Excellency with a memento. It would be the photogenic gesture of 2025. What a religious entity it is in front of each and every one of us. Smiling faces. Thank you very much.
From the raw power of nature, we turn inward to the most vital structure of all, the sacred space we call home. This bridge isn't built with cement, it's forged in shared laughter and tear-stained promises.
Prepare for building bridges of family, imagining the pulse of generational heartbeat, A warm heart firecracker with the deepest laughter and the most honest tears. These are unbreakable threads, wrapping so tight around your soul that every movement, every whisper, and every inside joke becomes an echo that reverberates forever.
Get ready for an awe overload that grips you and never lets go.
के केसों में चांदी और दिल में सोना है, जिनके रातों की कहानी सुन के सपनों में खोना है, उन्हें हम प्यार से दादा दादी और नाना नानी कहते हैं। दादा और दादी वो नहीं जिनसे हम रोज बात करें, दादा दादी वो है जो भले ही हमसे दूर हो पर हमेशा दिल के पास रहते।
ना हवा में उड़ता है ना विलेन से लड़ता है, फिर भी मेरा सुपर हीरो बाकी सुपर हीरो से बेस्ट है। मेरे सुपर हीरो के पास कोई सुपर पावर नहीं है, फिर भी वो मेरी सारी विश पूरी करता है। दुनिया मेरे सुपर हीरो को नहीं जानती, पर मेरा सुपर हीरो ही मेरी दुनिया है।
अकेले हम अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या गम। तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान,
ओह आई लव यू डैडी।
तू मासूम तू शैतान,
बट यू लव मी डैडी।
तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान,
ओह आई लव यू डैडी।
तू मासूम तू शैतान,
बट यू लव मी डैडी। इस दुनिया में बिना किसी स्वार्थ के प्यार सिर्फ माँ ही करती है। मेरे जमीन का जो आसमान है वो मेरी माँ है।
ममता के मंदिर की है तू सबसे प्यारी मूरत। ममता के मंदिर की है तू सबसे प्यारी मूरत। भगवान नजर आता है जब देखे तेरी सूरत। जब जब दुनिया में आए तेरा ही आंचल पाए, जन्मों की दीवारों पर हम प्यार अपना लिख जाए। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है। अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना। खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा, गुले गुलजार क्या कहना।
together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father and me. Together we go, my family and I. We make the snowman come to life. Daddy will dress him head to toe. Mommy will find a stone for his nose. Come on, let's go. We are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father and me.
A truly heartwarming performance. Thank you, dear ones, for celebrating the first and the most important bridge in our lives, the shelter and strength of a family. Thank you.
The house light dims, but the internal battle blesses. We introduce a bridge, not of steel, but of willpower. Look closely, and you will see the shadow of sloth, a sweet sticky lure of quick fix, the bag of chips whispering surrender.
The mightiest bridge we build is often within ourselves. It's a war waged inside every heart. Prepare for building bridges of health. It's all about choosing fire over fees.
Let's feel the rhythm of unstoppable healthy living.
The victory of discipline our colorful wrappers.
दीदी मेरा अच्छा खाना कौन ले गया? गंदा बासी जंक फूड उसको क्यों छोड़ गया? दीदी मेरा अच्छा खाना कौन ले गया? गंदा बासी जंक फूड उसको क्यों छोड़ गया? उनको रहना था हेल्दी और करने थे कुछ अच्छे काम। जो खाते गंदा खाना तो कैसे करते अच्छे काम? इसलिए जो था अच्छा खाना उसको ले गए, गंदा बासी जंक फूड उसको वो छोड़ गए। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। खुला बासी गंदा खाना
जंक फूड को भी मत तुम खाना।
भूख लगे तभी ही खाना और हेल्दी हो वही तुम खाना।
पेट फुलाकर भी मत खाओ, तुम थोड़ा सा कम ही खाओ।
मोबाइल पर बातें करते नहीं, ध्यान से खूब चबाकर खाओ।
खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना।
खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। जो ना खाया हेल्दी खाना तो मिलती दवाई खाना।
कमजोरी में क्या कर पाते, रह जाते सबसे पीछे।
नहीं मिलता सबको खाना, खाने को तुम दान करो।
जितना चाहिए उतना ही लो, इसको मत बर्बाद करो।
खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। जीवन में सफल बनना है, ऊंचाई को छूना है।
लोगों में जो प्यार पाना है तो बस इतना ही याद रखना है।
दीदी मेरा अच्छा खाना देखो आ गया, ऊंचाइयों को छूने में तैयार हो गया। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। जिनको रहना है हेल्दी और करने हैं कुछ अच्छे काम, खाते हैं हेल्दी खाना और करते हैं वो अच्छे काम। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना।
थोड़ा
खाया पचाया, ज्यादा खाया पछताया।
Wow, a very energetic tug of war and informative presentation. Thank you, Tiny Tots.
Prepare for building bridges of healing. Watch as courage takes form. With gentle hands, begin to stretch those shattered clouds. It's a tender quake of resilience. It's the moment hope's electric sparks hits a weary heart and revives it completely. God heals broken-hearted and binds up their wounds. Let this performance wash over you, mending what feels broken. It is a down after the storm, proving that even the most shattered spirit can rise more stronger and more beautiful. Feel the revival pulse through you. Healing heroes, touching stuff, big applause.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो
दिल है सफर पर सुनो मुसाफिर हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर कदम कदम मिला है जा गगन गगन झुका है जा रख हौसला कर फैसला तुझे वक्त बदलना है
अपना है दिल ये आज का दुनिया से जाके बोल दो ऐसे जागो रे साथियों दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो
मम्मा कितने दिन हो गए आज आप घर आओगे ना
हाँ बेटा रोज न्यूज में डॉक्टरों के बारे में देखकर अब डर लगता है तुम ठीक तो हो ना
हाँ माँ
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सौ चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे
हम डॉक्टर्स हैं रोज मौत से हाथ मिला कर आते हैं तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त
अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं,
पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद।
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया, वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया। बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ, सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ।
जवान अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर सरहद की सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं,
लेकिन भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी
अब हमारे हाथ है।
That was a deeply moving and compassionate performance. Thank you for depicting the gentle strength required for healing the power of human kindness.
All the infrastructures from the top to the bottom are in the right direction because of the able leadership of distinguished, dignified collector, Mr. S.T. Dhanani. Give a big round of applause. We would like to listen to the voice of the head of the administration of Porbandar district to make Porbandar a developed district under his praiseworthy appreciation.
Respected all members of this august audience, right from the first row to the last row, and of course including our heroes of the backstage. मुझे लगता है मुझे हिंदी में बात करूंगा तो मैं ज़्यादा कनेक्ट हो पाऊंगा, क्योंकि हिंदी ऐसी भाषा है जो हमें सबको जोड़ के रखती है। सेंट मेरी स्कूल द्वारा आयोजित इस बिल्डिंग ब्रिजेस कार्यक्रम में आके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है, और मैं ये भी चाहूँगा कि जो ब्रिज अभी स्टेज के हमारे परफॉर्मेंस और सामने हम बैठे उनके जो बीच बना हुआ है उससे हम बरकरार रखें। मुझे यहाँ वैसे तो आना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा ब्रिज बना था, लेकिन फिर भी मैं कहूँगा दिस इज ए वंडरफुल प्रोग्राम। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल द मेंबर्स हु आर बिहाइंड दिस प्रोग्राम, एंड राइट फ्रॉम दिस स्मॉल टाइनी आवर स्टूडेंट्स टू दी हाईएस्ट लेवल। काफ़ी मेहनत की है, सजावट भी काफ़ी अच्छी की है, और लगता है ऐसा कि हम, मुझे कहना नहीं चाहिए, लगता है कहीं कहीं हम बाहर है, पोरबंदर में नहीं, कम से कम कोई बड़े अच्छे सिटी में है। मुझे खुशी है कि हमारे पोरबंदर शहर में, हमारे ज़िले में ऐसी भी स्कूल्स है कि जहाँ इतना सारा अच्छा प्रोग्राम होता है, बच्चों को शिक्षा के साथ साथ और भी एक्टिविटीज़ में जोड़ा जाता है, और उनका जैसे हमारे एक्सेलेंसी फादर बिशप ने बताया कि नॉट ओनली फॉर द एजुकेशन बट इट इंक्लूड्स अदर थिंग्स इंक्लूडिंग आवर बॉडी, आवर माइंड एंड अदर थिंग्स। थैंक यू फॉर allowing me to come here, and at the same time I will beg your pardon because I have many works to be carried out this night. So I request you to give me permission to leave this stage after 5 or 10 minutes. Thank you.
I request you, respected sir, to stay back, please. Please. St. Mary's School loves to honor and felicitate the studious and meritorious, extravagance and intelligentsia. In the year 2425, Pope Halley topped all the rankers in SSC. Pope Halley is requested to come out to the stage to be honored by none other than our distinguished collector. Give a huge round of applause. She is a daughter of our own soil. Christina Barada, HSC Commerce Stream. Christina Barada is requested to come out to the stage to be honored by distinguished collector. Puru Zala is requested to come out to the stage next to be honored by His Excellency Collector Porbandar. If Duru is not here, his mother is here, coming over here to receive on behalf of her own son. Today, the trophy belongs to them. Tomorrow, it will be for you. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind gesture. Please stay back here. You are going to be honored by our own loving principal. I request our principal to honor distinguished collector S.C. Dhanani. What a kind gesture it is. It is a token of love, affection from the part of the entire students and teachers community.
Get ready for a dynamic showcase of physical prowess and team spirit in building bridges of sports. The crucial life skill from bouncing back from defeat, turning opponents into lifelong companions. What's the flawless coordination, the honor of rivalry, and the absolute focus on the athlete's mind? Clear the field. Get ready for a massive kinetic rush. Building bridges of sports explodes in a symphony of sheer sweat, glory. Every muscle fiber is screaming. Commitment refusing to settle for anything less than gold. Listen to the energy. Heart pumping. Roar. Feel the heat.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक ले
crowd. India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room.
What a burst of energy and coordination. Thank you to the sports enthusiasts for that invigorating display. They truly celebrate the joy and rigor. Thank you.
St. Mary's School showers upon distinguished collector a huge round of gratitude. Different colors of grandeur and great attitude shown by our respected collector. Once again, St. Mary's School is kindful and thankful to His Excellency, distinguished and dignified collector.
Before we move ahead, it is time for the annual chronicle of our school's journey. We call it the story of the pearl. Because like a pearl, each student at St. Mary is a unique treasure polished to dedication and effort. It will meticulously detail our academic milestones, co-curricular terms, community outreach, and infrastructure growth over the past months.
रेत के कण की तरह होता है और सेंट मेरी स्कूल में प्रवेश करने के बाद हर संघर्ष का मुकाबला करते हुए मोती के रूप में ढाला जाता है। इसी में आधारित है हमारी गाथा। आइए आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करते हैं रेत से मोती बनने की ये कहानी।
रेत, हाँ हाँ, रेत का एक कण हूँ मैं। अस्तित्व से अपूर्ण हूँ मैं। पहचान से परे हूँ मैं। संसार की उथल पुथल से डरी हूँ मैं। हारी हूँ मैं, परेशान हूँ मैं। कौन हूँ मैं? मैं कौन हूँ मैं? जीवन की इस आपाधापी में रिश्ते कई रूठे, अपनों से अपने कई छूटे। सफलता की होड़ में कई मुखौटे टूटे। पड़ी दोस्ती में दरार, हाँ पड़ी दोस्ती में दरार। निराशा की जल में हुई तरबतर। हुई मैं हास्य का शिकार। रेत हूं मैं हूं बेकार।
समस्त विश्व के अग्रदूतों और देवदूतों ने जिस प्रकार समाज में उपलब्ध सीमित और साध्य संसाधनों के माध्यम से मनुष्य को सफलता के उच्च सोपान तक पहुंचाने के लिए समुद्र की गहराई में गोता लगाकर रत्न और मणियों को बाहर निकाला है, ठीक उसी प्रकार सेंट मैरीज की टीम ने भी सीपी में से मोतियों को निकालने के लिए ज्ञान की उसी गहराई में बार बार डुबकी लगाई है। सेंट मैरीज स्कूल का हर विद्यार्थी सीपी से निकाले उस मोती की तरह है जो संसार को अपने प्रकाश से, जगमगाहट से और सकारात्मकता से भर देगा।
St. Mary's School is administered by the Sisters of the Congregation of the Mother of Carmel, founded by Saint Kuriakose Elias Chavara, the renowned educationist and visionary. St. Mary's School is an esteemed educational institution committed to guiding students toward the attainment of their highest aspirations. Their pulse, while ensuring they remain deeply grounded in humility and an attitude of service, with a focus on holistic formation. St. Mary's fosters academic excellence, character building, and responsible citizenship. The school follows a student-centric approach, promoting joyful and experiential learning across all levels. Well-equipped science and computer laboratories, a rich library, a spacious playground, elegant classrooms, and newly introduced interactive panel boards create a vibrant learning environment. The open auditorium hosts cultural and co-curricular events, while safe and efficient bus services support students from surrounding areas. Our greatest strength lies in our dedicated and qualified faculty across all sections, supported by committed administrative and supportive staff. Their professionalism, care, and guidance ensure that every learner receives a transformative educational experience.
The month of June marked a renowned beginning to the academic year at St. Mary's School, with students and staff returning with enthusiasm and readiness for new learning experiences. A prayer session was conducted in remembrance of the victims of Ahmedabad plane crash, reflecting the values of compassion and unity. The school also observed International Yoga Day, where students and teachers participated in yoga activities, promoting physical fitness and mental well-being. June set a positive and energetic tone for the months ahead.
July was a vibrant month filled with activities and celebrations at St. Mary's School. The investiture ceremony was conducted with pride when newly elected student leaders received their badges and pledged to uphold responsibility and discipline. Patronus Day was celebrated enthusiastically with competitions such as coloring, calligraphy, photo frame making, and speech showcasing students' creativity. For the kindergarten, Blue Day added joy as little ones came dressed in shades of blue and engaged in fun, theme-based activities. Overall, July highlighted leadership, creativity, and cheerful participation across the school.
August was filled with patriotic spirit and cultural vibrancy at St. Mary's School. Independence Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm, along with competitions such as flag decoration, salad making, quotes from memory, and patriotic group song, showcasing creativity and teamwork. The school also celebrated Rakhi, emphasizing love, protection, and bonding through Rakhi making activities. Overall, August was a month of national pride, creativity, and cultural celebration.
September was an active and enriching month at St. Mary's School. The major highlight was the science exhibition, where students presented innovative models and experiments, reflecting creativity and teamwork. For kindergarten, Fruit Day and Rainy Day was celebrated through colorful, hands-on activities. The month also included competitions such as storytelling, solo dance, quiz, and poster presentation with enthusiastic participation from students. Overall, September was a month of exploration, learning, and joyful engagement.
October at St. Mary's School combined cultural celebration with academic focus. Navratri was celebrated with joyful activities that highlighted values of goodness, courage, and harmony. The month also included the term examinations conducted smoothly and systematically, with students preparing diligently and showing strong commitment to their studies. Overall, October balanced festive spirit with dedicated learning.
November was a joyful and activity-filled month at St. Mary's School, filled with creativity and celebration. To mark Diwali, the school hosted colorful competitions such as Rangoli, candle making, card making, and diya decorations, where students enthusiastically showcased their artistic talents. Children's Day was celebrated with great excitement through various on-the-spot competitions, encouraging confidence and spontaneity among students. Students also participated in origami, reel making, and fancy dress competitions, providing a wonderful platforms for imagination and creative expression. Apart from these activities, the school observed a grace-filled week, dedicating each day to a meaningful value. The week began with Prayer Day, where students prayed for one another and for the well-being of society. Appreciation Day encouraged students to recognize and thank their peers and teachers. Help and Service Day inspired acts of kindness across the campus, while Reading Day fostered the joy of reading and knowledge sharing. Respecting Day reminded everyone of the importance of treating others with dignity and care. On Sharing Day, students shared snacks and collected essential items which were later given to Visamu, the old age home. The week concluded with Grateful Day, where students expressed sincere thanks to all who support and guide them daily. Grace-filled week beautifully nurtured values that strengthen character and community. November truly brought life, joy, and vibrant experiences, and enriched with meaningful values and positive habits.
December brought the joyous spirit of Christmas to St. Mary's School. Filling the campus with festive cheer, students participated in various competitions such as Santa Claus coloring, Christmas stick making, Christmas tree making, and crib making, showcasing creativity and celebrating the season's essence. We are also witnessing the vibrant annual day celebrations, a grand event highlighting the talents and cultural richness of the school through captivating performances. December truly reflected joy, creativity, and togetherness.
Many more celebrations, activities, and the much-awaited Sports Day await the students of St. Mary's in the coming months, ensuring a vibrant and enriching